What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Supreme Tech. Today, I'm going to show you how to export transparent clips inside of Davinci Resolve. This is good for if you want to export like subscribe graphics, brand logos, if you got some animations and green screen effects. This is what you'd want to use when you're exporting it. Because you want to have it be able to have transparency, because when you put it inside of a video, if you use that clip or something, it's going to just have a black background, right? So we want to be able to see what's behind that. So this is where exporting in transparency comes into play. Alright, everybody, so I'm inside of Davinci Resolve right now. I already made an effect out of this green screen. You see here we got the like green screen where you push it and then the thumb goes away. I already edited that out to look like this here, where it's transparent in the back. Okay, what we're gonna do, I'm gonna show you how to export. So I'm not gonna show you how to remove the green screen. That's another video. So if you want to look in the cue card now, I'll put a video up or in the description so you can watch that and learn how to actually get rid of this green screen. Alright, so to export this, what we're going to want to do, I'm going to hop over to another timeline. You're going to want a timeline that has nothing else on it, okay? And let's drag the like effect in there. So when you're editing, okay, you're going to have, your little effect, whatever it is, green screen, brand animations, logos, stuff like that. And you see here, it shows a black background. That's because we already removed the green screen. But once you got it exactly how you want it, and this is the only clip that's in this whole timeline, we're going to slide this over to the beginning, and we're going to come to the Deliver tab. Alright, once we're in the Deliver tab, we're going to come up here to our render settings. If you don't see it, it's up here at the top. You just make sure you click on render settings. Okay, and then you should see something that looks like this here. You got the file name, location, we got format, codec, and all that. First thing we're going to change, we're going to make sure the format is on QuickTime. We're going to turn the codec to GoPro Cineform. Okay, GoPro Cineform. Click that. Then we're going to change the type to RGB 16-bit. After you got that, we're going to come up here where it says render and it says single clip. We're going to change that to individual clips. Okay, and once you click it and turn it into individual clips, you'll see down here it says export alpha. You're going to check that box. Now, once you got all these settings set up in here, you can come up here to the three dots, click it, and you can save it as a new preset. If you see here what I've done, I've got my presets. You can see I got a regular export preset for if I'm exporting a video, and then I got transparent export. You can save it, write whatever you want to write, but then you always got a preset where you can come at the top, scroll all the way to the left, and you'll see yours are at the very end. Okay, click the drop down and you can click on your preset, right? So anytime you're using an effect where you want transparency in the background, you just come up here, click it, and it's got all your little things that you changed. Then when you're done with transparent, you just come back to your regular one. See, I got MP4, codecs H.264. We're on single clip. So this is my regular export settings. So let's just go back to the transparent one. And once you've done that, all you got to do is click add to render queue and start render. That's it. It's real simple. It only takes a couple seconds, but there's just those couple things that you got to make sure that you did right. So let's go back to the edit tab, and I want to show you how to do it from the start if all you got is your green screen effect or whatever you have. So let's clear that out. I can't stress enough how much you want to just keep this on its own timeline. So what we do, let's bring the green screen effect up here. Let me change this actually so you guys can see. This is how most people have it, right? You see we got the green screen effect. Let's click play, see what it looks like. It's only like 4 or 5 seconds long. But what we're going to do, we're going to click on the clip, make sure you got the red outline. Then we're going to come to our color tab. Once you're in the color tab, you're going to want to hit on this eyedropper here. Okay. Once this eyedropper is pulled up, you'll see where it says selection range. You're going to want to click on the first one, the one that has these little circles on it. And then eventually you might have to use the one with the plus sign. Just remember that. But we're using this one first. And you come over here to the screen where it's got the green on it. And you just click where the green is. You see how it cut out the hand and not the green? What we're going to want to do is click this invert. It's in the selection range all the way to the right. We're going to click invert. And you'll see the hand is back in there and then the green is out. After that, we're going to right click next to the node, which is right here, anywhere in this background. And we're going to come to add alpha output. Okay, once we've done that, you'll notice a little blue dot came on the right hand side. All we got to do is grab where the blue square is on the node, drag and drop it right on that. Okay, now it's got an output for transparency. That's all alpha output means is output transparency. Now once we got that, you can see we have some other green over here. So that's where we're going to come and click the plus dropper. And we're going to try to get the rest of that green out. Find any other green that's in there. Just get it as good as you can. Okay. And you can always come back and click play to see how it's looking. You see here, we got some green over here. We can click with the eyedropper. Let's keep going. Just get rid of as much as you can, right? Once you've done that, just scroll through and you'll see if there's any extra green. You don't want to take in too much of your image. You just want to get in to look pretty good. After that, if you want to get even more in-depth, just scroll to where you see the most green still. And you can come over here to the matte finesse and just mess with it. You know, you can do the clean black, clean white, move it up, move it down, see whichever one looks the best. You can do the blur radius. The blur radius actually works pretty good. You also got in-out ratio. So you can just bring it in just a little bit. So let's see what this looks like. I mean, I don't really see any green in there, do you? I mean, you can see a little bit when you come in this frame here. You can still see a little bit, but there's motion too, so you're not going to see that when you're watching it. See, it just comes in real quick, and then it's out. So that's how you actually get rid of the green screen. And then again, once you've got that done, you just come over here, back to your edit tab, watch it again, see what it looks like. It's looking pretty good. Don't see any green in there. And that's it. So after that, let's go to the deliver tab. All right, same thing. This is where it'd come in handy when you got the preset. You click export transparent export, and it just switches all the options that you need to switch. One more thing, if you want to change where your actual file is saved to, you can click browse on the location and change this to whatever folder you want. And then don't forget to change your file name. Comment down below if you think I've left anything out of this video. Again, to save it as a preset, you click these 3 buttons up here and go to save as new preset, name it, click OK, and then all your presets will be saved up here at the top. If you scroll all the way to the left, you'll see the presets And when you click this little arrow pointing down, then it'll put up all the presets that you got. If you got any questions, make sure to put them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, everybody, and I'll catch you in the next one.